guys, here's a super rare red 63 Corvette split window fuel injection car. We did a complete body off restoration to this car. Owned it for about 2 years. Bought this car as an ultimate survivor. Found it down in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Is sitting in the basement of a guy's house for the last 35 years, 40 years before we bought it. My dad just loved this car. Had a smoking original body on it. Original motor, original fuel unit, original transmission, all the right components. So we pulled it out of the guy's garage and completely did a 2-year nut and bolt body off restoration to it. Man, it turned out great. Super straight down the sides. Look at those lines. Everything fits on it beautifully. And we did not skip out on anything on this car. It is done. Look how them doors fit. Look how the hood fits. This car's ready to be judged due to this virus going on right now. They canceled all the NCRS judging meets, but it would top flight, no problem. It is done right. Door jams are done dull like they like them. Interior is just impeccable. Look at all that. Just a stunning car. That's how they should shut. Nice, easy. Listen to that. Sounds so good. Just straight down the side. You don't see them restored like this too often, I promise you that. Doors fit. Look at that. That's nice. Everything fits good on this car. It's just a lot of time. Had a real nice original body, but we made sure everything fit good on this car. Look how all the headlights and everything line up. It's got the correct fiberglass buckets like it's supposed to. I mean, a lot of attention to detail went into this restoration. So I'll get another video of it later on here, driving and all that. Show you a good, get it up on a lift and show you the underside, but just want to do a quick walk around of it, let you hear the exhaust and hear it run.